You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, meaning High Chief or Shining Light, the moon, pronounced two different ways. It's from modern Hispanic. In Spanish, it'd be more as Ailany. Ailany, that would be the more Spanish-influenced pronunciation. But in English, it's also pronounced as Ailany as well, which is the more English pronunciation. So, Ailany or Ailany, how do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments, and upvote whichever pronunciation you find best or you use, so we can have a better idea where you're from and how you pronounce it and who pronounces what and how. Ailany or Ailany or anything else, let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.